Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jan, I'm a yoga teacher, and today's video is just a short one. I just wanted to share with you a couple of postures we don't usually teach, but I really like to do them for myself. So let's try with, and let's start with squat. It's going to be a funny squat because it's a bit like a frog, right? If the heels don't touch the floor, it's fine. If you feel more comfortable placing a block like this underneath your heels, feel free to do so. Because what we're gonna do from here is actually twist like this and like that. So really press the elbow inside, hand down, the other arm up. Breathe. It's the exhale when you go up like this with the arm through the nose. Okay. Then you can sit. You can even sit on the block if you're more comfortable like this. It's like a neck stretch. Okay, we rarely do that in our day-to-day life. So sit wherever you feel comfortable, legs up like this, straight, crossed, lotus, whatever you like. Hands to the side. If the fingertips touch the floor, widen your hands and try to really lengthen your arms and then tilt your head to the side. Breathe. You should feel that here. And I don't do like neck circles because I feel too much sand behind my neck. So I know this is not good for you. And I find many people like me, so I never practice that in my classes. But what you can try to do is go a bit like a quarter of a circle for as long as it doesn't hurt and you don't feel that sand. Okay, go to the other side slowly. Try to lift your head up first and then tilt to the side. Hand, opposite hand, very much low towards the floor. Breathe. And quarter of a circle. Okay. Slowly come back. Then for the next one, it's better not to have a block under your buttocks. Extend both your legs like this, hands back. You can place the hands flat or on your fists. And then we're going to cross the left leg onto the right. Try to lengthen your back and also almost arch your back, okay? And then bend the right knee. And it should pull here in the left glutes. Keep breathing. Good. Slowly relax. Change the leg. Relax your wrists if you need to. And the other side. If you don't feel anything, it's because your back is too rounded. So go ahead. First, arch the back and then bend and you'll feel it. And sometimes also you want to push the knee away from you. So it's a variation of pigeon and figure four. I really find it's super efficient. All right. Extend the left leg, uncross, shake, shake, shake. And yeah, that's just a very short video, but I hope you liked it. If you did, please put a thumb up. Don't hesitate to comment. If you would like more videos of that format, this is the button to subscribe, very important. Those are the playlists I'm going to put that video on. There's gonna be the warm-up and beginners, because this is not really a flow, it's just like a discovery of yoga. All right, cheers, have a great day and see you next Wednesday.